Hello everyone. The app I'm going to be talking about today is BrainPop. You can get to the app from brainpop.com, brainpop.com. You can request a demo or log in. You can create an account and log in. You can pick from the different subjects down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on English. It'll take me to the English page here. You can go into different categories: famous authors and books, grammar, study and reading skills, writing, or free movies. Start with the authors and books. You have different authors and books to choose from. Click on Emily Dickinson. From here, you can watch a movie about her. You can make a map. You can look at books that are related to her. You can do different activities. You can make your own movie. You can take a quiz. Here is the movie that they give you.
What you doing? A ladybug who's red and black. Wings would make a perfect snack for one who has an empty pantry. I'm talking about the praying mantis. It's,
You
nice.
can see down here that the movie's
Dear
about
Tim and
8
Moby,
minutes long.
We're reading Emily Dickinson in school, but her poems are a little weird. Can you help me make sense of them? Thanks, Becca.
That I like
Emily
because
Dickinson's
it could be a
poetry can
question
be
that your
mysterious,
students have.
almost like a riddle. Her lines and verses are short, with a natural style that's almost chat.
When you go into the Make a Map, you get the movie here, and you have this blank piece to work on here. You can add images to your map. There are keywords. You can add different shapes to your map. You can move them around. Didn't want me to leave the page because I was in the middle of working on something. It gives you different things on Emily Dickinson here. These are some different facts. I really enjoy this app for education because it is something that you could easily tell your students to do. You can give them a subject to go into and look at. You could let them explore on their own and know that whatever they come up with is going to be something educational. You can give them homework in here. There's a section on practical math. Comparing prices, that's something we do all the time. Multiplication, percentages, rounding. These are basic math skills that you are going to need throughout any math course. Another reason I love this app is because it gives you different ways to interact with it. It doesn't just give you the information and then quiz you on the information. You have videos and interactive maps and interactive quizzes. Here is the video, science video on plate tectonics.
Are you sure this thing is rated for this depth? You bought it from an Air Mall catalog. Oh, great. Dear Tim and Moby, when I look at a map, it seems like some continents fit together perfectly. Are my eyes playing tricks on me? From Georgia.
You can see that every movie starts out with a question from a student, and then Moby and Max answer the question. This one has games on it. Earthquake game, meaning of dinosaurs, plate tectonics. Another one on dinosaurs. So that's really neat because we all know most kids love playing video games. Not all do, but some do. This gives them a chance to learn while doing that. I think this is a great app to use. Is if you finish your work early, go on to BrainPop, go into your English category or your science category, your social stories category, and pick a theme to work on. Pick a unit, or say you are doing a unit on U.S. history. Okay, everybody, let's open up our computers or our tablets and go to U.S. history. You could also have this already open if you're in a younger classroom who only has one computer. Monday's Martin Luther King Day. They have a movie about Martin Luther King, and you can go through and do the different activities on him. Mainly, I just love the interaction of this app and that it is very kid-friendly. I think a kid could easily navigate through here, even someone who doesn't know how to read, because they have different icons for everything. So I suggest you all go and check it out.